Good evening, I'm Casey Kuhn. The status of marriages between same-sex couples in Indiana is still up in the air. A federal appeals court Friday stopped same-sex marriages until the state's appeal can be heard. Hundreds of couples rushed to the altar during the 2 days Indiana's ban on same-sex marriage was lifted. The federal government is clear on where it stands on anything that is regulated by federal law. Same-sex couples are to be treated as legally married. But the Indiana Attorney General's office says recognition of those marriages by the state is still undetermined and that a court may have to sort out the issue. A ruling the Supreme Court issued today in favor of Hobby Lobby could indicate whether nonprofit religious institutions like Notre Dame will be required to comply with the government's contraceptives mandate. In the Supreme Court majority opinion, the justices say that contraceptive mandate is too restricted and that there's already a less restrictive plan, the one it's offering to religious nonprofits like Notre Dame. Under that plan, the nonprofit can provide a form of the insurance companies stating their opposition to provide contraceptives. Then, instead of billing the university, the insurance companies will bill the federal government directly for that cost.
And the court specifically says we're not deciding that that alternative for religious nonprofits is adequate, but what we are saying is that at a minimum, that is a less burdensome, less restrictive approach that at least should be extended to the profit-making companies like Hobby Lobby.
The Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals ruled against Notre Dame in February. And a look at the weather tonight, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms and lows in the mid-70s. Now here's a look at our 5-day forecast, highs in the 80s, lows in the 50s.